Java program to swap the values of two variables, num1 and num2, using the scanner. Algorithm. Start the program. Create a scanner object to read user input from the console. Prompt the user to enter the value of num1. Read and store the value of num1 from the user. Prompt the user to enter the value of num2. Read and store the value of num2 from the user. Print, before swapping, to indicate the initial values of num1 and num2. Print the value of num1. Print the value of num2. Swap the values of num1 and num2 using a temporary variable. A. Assign the value of num1 to a temporary variable temp. B. Assign the value of num2 to num1. C. Assign the value of temp to num2. Print, after swapping, to indicate the updated values of num1 and num2. Print the value of num1. Print the value of num2. End the program. Java code. Import Java. Util. Scanner. Public class swap variables. Public static void main, string, args. Scanner input equals new scanner, system.in. System.out. Print, enter the value of num1. Int num1 equals input, next int. System.out. Print, enter the value of num2. Int num2 equals input, next int. System.out. Print ln, before swapping. System.out. Print ln, num1 equals, plus num1. System.out. Print ln, num2 equals, plus num2. Swapping the values. Int temp equals num1. Num1 equals num2. Num2 equals temp. System.out. Print ln, after swapping. System.out. Print ln, num1 equals, plus num1. System.out. Print ln, num2 equals, plus num2. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Output. Enter the value of num1 is to 5. Enter the value of num2 10. Before swapping. Num1 equals 5. Num2 equals 10. After swapping. Num1 equals 10. Num2 equals 5.